Meitei Tribe Union (MMTU) has warned of severe consequences that could lead to chaos if the government forcefully conducts the census despite public opposition. Addressing a press meet today at Manipur Press Club, MMTU Secretary Organization Takilambam Padijad demanded that the state government take measures to defer the census operations scheduled to begin on August 17. He further urged the government to initiate immediate steps for an NRC update in Manipur. He pointed out that the public demand to identify illegal immigrants through an NRC update is not against the government, but is rather a movement urging the authorities to adhere to the rule of law and the constitution. Padijad added that arresting those spearheading the movement or opposing the government's move could trigger stronger public protests. Referring to the provisions in Section 3 of the Census Act 1948, he urged the government to strictly adhere to the law. He called on all legislators to set aside political differences and collectively press the central government to defer the census and prioritize the detection and deportation of illegal immigrants through NRC update in the state. The MMTU leader appealed to all indigenous communities in both hills and valley to actively participate in the movement. He also urged the CSOs to prioritize this as a core issue and work collectively towards achieving the goal.
Demographic imbalance deforestation ki adegi narco terrorism ki puna bakse tara infol ko no haibase masi white paper ama illegal immigrant yang chungse dei khun masi ga indre haibase masi ki state government white paper ku thoga center da bagi present to view Manipur ya ma thab masi ku bathabak sidi koi gi music lai government sina tawte masi to view haidina koina simasu appeal tawja bani ai koi gi illegal immigrant khadok ki matang sida ai koi gi government sina matam gi miyam utchai maga koina pangthok ki daba adu bakoi gi vote banking politics ne hena lumba chadaga thabak sing ase pangthok tabadagi ngasi illegal immigration foreigner issue se masi hena busala kunina law